Hello, my name is Xingxing. I work at the Agency for Geoinformation and Surveying in Hamburg, in the Coordination Office for Semantic Standardization in Planning and Building. We are responsible for the development and maintenance of two German national standards for spatial planning and building inspection procedures. In the Accord project, we work with other partners on the German demonstrator, which showcases automated checking for land use permit, environmental compliance, and building permit for industrialized timber housing. Our organization's main focus in this demonstrator is on the land use permit, for which we will convert the development plans into machine-readable format, provide them through APIs, and then use them to perform automated checking.